So I got a quick unboxing to do for a Gearwrench set that I got at Tractor Supply for Black Friday. Today is Black Friday. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so today is November 29th, 2019. It is Black Friday. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. We're going to be doing an unboxing and quick look at this Gearwrench 84-piece master SAE and metric hex and Torx bit socket set. It comes with 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. So let's get it open. It is part number 80742. I got it for $89.99, I believe. And it was $97 out the door at Tractor Supply. Amazon is selling it. One Amazon seller is selling this kit for $150 something, and then another seller on Amazon is selling it for $109. $89 plus tax, $97 out the door. Is still cheaper than both of them. So, swing this over, move it down. I'm gonna slide across the top, gotta slide down slowly, let you guys look at the information. And I'm gonna read the information to you guys just real quick. I did it in the last video, but I'll do it again. 1/4 inch hex bits are 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, and 1/4 inch. For the metric, it's 2.5 millimeter, 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeter. 1/4 inch Torx bits, T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27. 1/4 inch tamper-proof Torx bits are T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, T30. 1/4 inch E-Torx bits are E4, E5, E6, E7, and E8. 1/4 inch Torx long bits are T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, and T30. 3/8 hex bits are 7/32, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8. Metric is 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 millimeter. 3/8 long ball end hex are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 millimeter. 3/8 Torx bits, T30, T40, T45, T50, and T55. 3/8 tamper-proof Torx bits, T40, T45, T50, and T55. 3/8 E-Torx bits, E10, E12, E14, and E16. 3/8 Torx long bits, T40, T45, and T50. 1/2 inch hex bits. Standard is 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, and 3/4. Metric is 10, 12, 14, 17, and 19 millimeter, which does have a few. This set does have quite a few skips in it, but it's a pretty comprehensive set. 1/2 inch Torx bits, T60. 1/2 inch tamper-proof Torx bits, T60. E-Torx bits in 1/2 inch, E18, E20, E22, and E24. So, pop one side open, slide the box out. Alright. Gonna move the camera over a little bit. Okay. So that's why they were moving around. T8, T10, T15, T10, T15. We're going to check them while we're here because I've heard people that have gotten these kits and they had like 2 T50s or they had a missing T45 or... It looks like the kit's already missing something. T20, T25, T27, T30, 3/8 T40, T45, I think these are 3/8, yeah, they look like 3/8, T50, so far so good. 4 for the ball end, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and the 10 is still sitting in there. Okay. T30, T40, T45, T50, 55, T40, T45, T50, T55, six, 7, 8, 9. This one's actually a little bent. Actually, looking at it, it's got a little wobble to it. T10, so it's a 10. Seven 32nd, quarter, 5/16, 3/8. T60, tamper and non-tamper. 10, 12, 14, 17, 19, 7/16, 1/2 inch. 9/16, 5/8, quarter, 3/4, E24, E22, E20, E18, E16, E14, E12, and E10. So what is missing? There's one missing from the set, and there's a couple of them that are kind of tweaked. This is an E6. Wait, is it? E6. What is this? I ended up with 2 E6s for some reason. An E8. E7. So I didn't get the 4. It looks like I didn't get the 5 either. E8, E7. E6. No, I didn't get a 4 or a 5. I ended up with 2 E6s. So we're gonna have to contact probably gonna go to Napa, see if they might be able to, even though I bought it for Tractor Supply. And some of them are crooked. This one's spinning crooked. This one's kind of tweaked a little bit. It's spinning crooked as well. This one is the 1/2 inch Allen to 1/2 inch. Ratchet is also crooked. T8, T10, T15, T20, T25, 27, T8 for the tamper-proof, T10, T15, T20, T25. These look like they're in good shape. 27, T30, 2.5, 3 for the Allens, 4, 5, 6, 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, and 1/4 inch. So we're missing an E4 and an E5 in the E-Torx, inverted Torx, and a couple of these are crooked. Oh, what is this? This is a E4, so we're missing the E5 is what we're missing. I'm not sure how that one ended up inside the bottom of one of the sockets. Nope, not seeing them anywhere else. So we're gonna have to contact them, but you know, it's not a big deal. Only a couple of them are crooked. A couple of the larger 1/2 inch ones are crooked when you spin them. Not sure if you guys can see that. Let me know what you guys think. What would you do if you got a kit that was missing one? You got two of the same. If maybe some of the Allens or the Torx were crooked on the housing. But it's a nice kit. Nice box. I do like the box. It's not really a, a fancy, expensive box, but it's a decent box. But please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Comments, criticisms down below. Let me know what you guys think about this kit. What would you do? Would you just take, go talk to your Napa rep, or see if your Gearwrench truck could replace them, or what would you guys do? Let me know down below. And also go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.